Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max Face ID not working issue. So guys, many iPhone 15 users are complaining about after buying the iPhone they are facing an issue of Face ID. Their Face ID is not working properly and they don't know how to fix this issue. But guys, don't worry, in this video I will tell you how to fix Face ID not working issue on iPhone 15 models. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Our step number 1 is to clean the true depth camera and the sensor. Make sure there is no dirt, debris or any kind of obstructions on the true depth camera and sensor located on the top of your iPhone 15. After this, then you have to remove any screen protector or cases. Some screen protector or cases might interfere with Face ID functionality. Try removing them and see if Face ID work on your iPhone 15 or not. If this still doesn't work, then move to the next step. Our next step is to restart your iPhone 15. Sometimes a simple restart can fix various software glitches. To restart your iPhone, you have to simply open the settings, then tap on General, scroll down and then tap on Shutdown. Shut down your iPhone 15, wait for a few seconds and then restart it back. If restarting doesn't work, then move to the next step. Our next step is to update iOS version. Ensure your iPhone 15 is running the latest version of iOS. You have to go to the software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. After this and you're still facing the issue, then you have to reset your Face ID. If none of the steps work, you can try resetting Face ID on your iPhone 15. To do this, you have to simply go back and go to the Face ID and passcode, enter your passcode. After this, you will see your option reset Face ID. Tap on it and then set up Face ID back. So guys, after trying all of these steps and you're still facing the issue and your Face ID is not working on your iPhone 15 models, then our last step is to reset all settings on iPhone. So guys, to do this you have to simply open the general on your iPhone, scroll down and then go to transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix iPhone 15 Face ID not working issue. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.